A very good evening to all. Hi, this is Dr. P. Pongudi, Associate Professor, SNS College of Technology, the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Okay. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic functional unit under the Unit 1 of Computer Organization and Architecture subject. What is the functional unit? This functional unit, it is the fundamental building blocks of the computer. This will be guide the principles of the von Neumann architecture. You can see this diagram. Through this diagram, you can understand the von Neumann architecture. Okay, we will discuss further in this PPT how these essential components are interact to process the informations and it perform the task and complete the functions. Okay, this thing we are going to discuss in this video. This is the actual architecture which is given in the textbook. Okay, there are 5 types of functional units which is available in the computer. This already you know, right? Input unit, output unit, then memory unit, then arithmetic and logical unit, control unit. These are all the 5 main functional unit which is coming under the computer organization and architecture subject. This input output, it is coming under the IO, and the process which is controlled by through the arithmetic and logic and the control units. Input units, actually this will be used to convert the data which is given by the user. Okay, output, what will be the expectation of the user, that will be presented on the output unit. The memory unit, which is used to store the data and the instructions. The arithmetic and logical unit, which is used to perform the computation operation. Say for example, you can consider if I am giving the equation as C equal to A plus B in order to perform the addition operation. During that time, what we will give, we will pass the value for the A and B, right? You say for example, I am giving the value for A is 3 and B is 5. What will be the value? 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, the 8 will be calculated through this arithmetic and logical unit. So the arithmetic and logical unit, it consists of the equations. Okay, then the control unit, if I am giving the some multiple values, if I want to do a looping, say for example I am giving the some n number of digits. Okay, in that case, if I want to repeat that particular operation, then this will use the input unit. Basically, you can look onto this picture. After running the program, we will feed the input. The inputs are given through the keyboards, mouse, scanner or the microphones. Through this input units, we will give the input for the program in order to perform the operation through the arithmetic and logical units. What are the inputs which we are giving? It will be get converted into zeros and ones. Okay. Output unit. The output unit, already we know that monitor, where in what are the devices which is used to see the output. Okay, that will be comes under the output unit. Simply we can say it as the information delivery unit. The monitor, or if I want to take a printout, then I can use the printer. If I want to listen a music, then I can use the speaker. Or if I want to see the images in the large screen, then that time I can go with the projectors. Okay, so this is the output unit. And the memory unit. Memory unit, mainly this will be used to store and retrieve the informations. In this, we will use the 3 types of memories. Okay, main memory, secondary memory and the memory hierarchy. The main memory, which is called as the random access memory or the read-only memory. The read-only memory, it is used to read the content alone. The random access memory, This will be used to access the data from the active programs. Okay. The secondary storage devices like a hard disk and the solid state drive, or we can say it as the pen drive. Okay, that also a secondary storage devices. The memory hierarchy, in the memory hierarchy we use the register, caches, main memory and secondary storages. All these will comes under the memory hierarchy. And the central processing unit, this will be called as the brain of a computer. In this we are having the arithmetic logical unit and the control unit. Arithmetic logical unit, which is used to perform the operations through the equations. Okay. For that it will use the different types of arithmetic operations. The control unit, which is used to control the operations which are performed through this arithmetic and logical unit. Okay. And these are all the different types of buses which is used to connect the peripherals. Okay, connect the devices. Data bus, address bus, control bus. Data bus is responsible to carry the data from the memory or CPU to the input-output devices. The address buses, which is used to stores the addresses where the data actually which is stored. Control bus, which is used to control the operations. Then the integrated operation for the computation, here for integration purpose it will use the data flow, bus and the unified systems. And this is the your textbook. Thank you.